You're now tuned in to the Born of Levi experience. Peace and blessings, family, on this Sunday evening, January 1st. The Euphrates River is drying up. Yes, you've heard me correctly. The Euphrates River is drying up. This is a biblical event, prophetic event. This is massive news, and I don't know why major news circulations or publications aren't covering this event. But don't worry, leave it up to me. I got you guys. I will cover it, right? But before we do that, I'm going to need your help, family. I'm going to need you guys to please hit that like button, subscribe, and also hit that bell for notification, man, and help me out. And shouts out to everybody who has been hitting that bell and hitting the like button and subscribing. You've been helping this channel out tremendously. But let me get right into the video, man. But apparently, like you see on your screen, the Euphrates River is drying up. But it seems like somebody was at a particular site where the river is dried up, and they was hearing some strange sounds. And they're saying it's fallen angels. For those of you guys who don't believe, the book of Enoch, where it explains how the fallen angels got under the Euphrates River, this is not for you. But for those who do believe, let's check this out. Sounds like groans. Whoa. Guys hear the chains? That is wild. There's something under there. You hear that? So,
and the four angels were,
as you guys could see and hear, there was something going on down there. You heard chains and groaning. That was insane, guys. And you don't see this on no major news circulations and no nothing. And for those of you guys who don't believe that the Bible spoke about this, here it is right here. The book of Revelation, chapter 9 and 13. And it says, and the sixth angel sounded, and I heard a voice from the four horns of the golden altar, which is before God, saying to the six angels, which had the trumpet, loose the four angels which are bound in the great river Euphrates. And the four angels were loosed, which were prepared for an hour and a day and a month and a year, for to slay the third part of man. So this is what's happening, family. The Bible is true. We're living in a time where prophecies is unfolding itself. So, like I said, if you don't believe in the Bible, then this is necessarily not for you, right? There's something else that's also happened prophetically as to why the river is actually being dried up. When you actually go 4 chapters up in Revelation 16, it says, I'm gonna start at verse 12. It says, "And the sixth angel poured out his vial upon the great river Euphrates, and the water thereof was dried up." And this is what's actually happening. The water thereof was actually dried up, that the way of the kings of the east might be prepared. What is this? Do I smell Armageddon being prepared? Right? Look, verse 16. "And he gathered them together into a place called in the Hebrew tongue Armageddon." Right? So that's going to be a battleground. Right? That place is going to be a battleground. But like we just witnessed in that last video that we just seen, we've heard the 4 angels. We've heard them. Matter of fact, let's play it again real quick. This is insane. You hear the chains? Groanings. Sound like they're in torment. And not for nothing, this scientist or archaeologist is a very brave soul. I tell you that much. This is wild. Doesn't sound like any animal that I've ever encountered living on this earth. Oh, hear the chains? That's what get me all the time, is the chains. Showing that they are bound. Wow. Yeah, family. So, you guys tap in, man. You guys let me know what you guys think that is. Just hit up the comments below, man. Let's talk about it, man. Let me know what you guys think this is, man. And for all you naysayers who may not think that this is a real thing that's happening, and this is not Bible prophecy, and there's no such thing as fallen angels, and the Bible is man-made and is not real. I mean, this is your opportunity as well too to chime in and let your comments be, let your comments be seen. Let's talk about it, guys. But we're going to continue covering this, especially for this so-called new year of 2023. We're going to be covering this. We're going to be tracking this along with other things. But let me know what you guys think, man. I'm out.